Hi, I'm Kartik and welcome to Kartik Tech. Today I'm going to tell you more about drones. So sit back, relax and watch my video till end. So let's start. So what is a drone? A drone is an aircraft without a human pilot on board. Drone is also known as UAV. UAV stands for Unnamed Aircraft Vehicles. UAV are a component of Unnamed Aircraft System UAS, which include a UAV, a ground-based controller and a system of communications between the two. So, what are the parts of the drone? A drone usually has a frame, a motor, electronic speed control, or a short form of electronic speed controls is ESC, a flight controller, propeller, etc. So, how do drones fly? Drones use rotors for propulsion and control. You can think of a rotor as a fan because they work pretty much the same. Spinning blades push air down. To hover, the net thrust of the four rotors pushing the drone up must be equal to the gravitational force pulling it down. So what is the RPM of a drone? Range of these motors begin at 10,350 RPM and it goes up to 41,400 RPM. Speed of motor is controlled via 8-bit low power type microcontroller accompanied with 10-bit ADC. Thank you! How many likes can we get on this video? Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye.